This is a SYMBYX PhysioCare laser, a medical device intended as a complementary therapy for pain and inflammation and fibromyalgia symptoms. This light therapy treatment is non-invasive, painless, and can be used at home. The PhysioCare emits 904 nanometer near-infrared light to help manage pain around the body. It is a medical-grade laser, a great addition to your pain management routine. To start, press the black button at the top of the device. The device will beep and the band will flash blue, indicating it is now in standby mode. Press the device firmly against the skin to start treatment. The blue band will remain lit when in contact with your skin. This lets you know that the device is actively emitting therapeutic infrared light, which cannot be seen with the naked eye. When you finish, it is important to switch off the device using the same black button as earlier to avoid draining the battery. Store it in the pouch so it's ready for your next treatment.
Looking after your SYMBYX device is simple, and each device is high quality and made to last if cared for properly. Here's everything you need to know. After each use, wipe the device down with a soft, dry cloth and place it back inside the case. Store your device somewhere dry and cool, like a bedside drawer. Avoid storing it in rooms with high humidity, such as your bathroom. That's all it takes to keep your light therapy device in good shape. No complicated steps or special products. As part of the SYMBYX community, you receive access to ongoing clinical support along with your device. The SYMBYX Clinical Support Team are a network of healthcare professionals who know SYMBYX light therapy inside and out. Not only do they answer your questions, but can provide personalized recommendations to help optimize your light therapy experience.
The PhysioCare is easy to use and designed to help you manage pain and inflammation and support tissue repair from home on your own terms. Be sure to read the protocol sheet, instruction manual, and safety and contraindications page on our website. Ask our customer care team if you have any questions. To learn more or order your SYMBYX PhysioCare, visit SYMBYXbiome.com. To speak to a member of our SYMBYX team, inquire via info@SYMBYXbiome.com.